Hello students, so welcome to the class. I am Yogita. Our subject is CNET, Nursing Education for Nurses, and today we are going to discuss about non-projected aids, printed aids, mainly leaflet and pamphlet. Now leaflet means it's a single sheet. See here I can find a leaflet where some statistical value of some documentation is written. See now this is called leaflet. Now pamphlet means definitely you might have seen some invitations, brochures which will be in 1, 2, 3 fold. So that is what called a leaflet. Definitely you might have received some invitation, a brochure of some conference program or any seminars, any symposium which you received in your college. Or else, might be you went to the market. Definitely some shopkeepers is giving some pamphlet, a leaflet which is explained or described about offers, what is available in their shop, some reduction sale. See, this all very commonly we experience in a day-to-day life. See, this is called a printed aid, a leaflet and pamphlet. Now, the purpose of making this leaflet to increase the awareness, increase the learning process, to increase the interest, to sustain in a learning process, to provide additional information, to provide a basic information about the content, to brief about the matter. For example, now if you received a leaflet from any shop, that will brief you what all the materials on sale, how much percent of reduction, when to when, where, what all the materials are available. See, a brief information you will get with the help of this leaflet, pamphlet. Now, how do you prepare this? Some guidelines to prepare this leaflet. Now, definitely your language is important. See, if you want to distribute the leaflet, you can use a spoken language. But when you want to prepare, you cannot make use of a spoken language. You need to use a written, good grammatic language. No spelling mistakes. You take a appropriate and attractive caption so that definitely they feel excited to read the content. Also, you select the color. You understand the audience and use a different color so that that color will attract the audience. Make it so creative. Some pictures which is closely related to the topic. Some kind of eye-catching information, message, some drawing, cartooning, something which will catch the attention of our audience. And one more thing, you need to have one concept in one, leaflet. You are adding 2-3 ideas in one leaflet, then it's not going to fulfill the learning objective. One leaflet you prepare with one object, what exactly you wanted to tell. So it will contain the whole main idea with some supporting ideas. That's all. Then, even when you distribute, you need to see that a level of student understanding. Very small class students, you cannot provide this leaflet because they are not able to read so fluently. Definitely for higher class, especially in nursing education process, to educate the patient, we can provide this leaflet, pamphlet. Mainly which is prepared on a certain disease condition, how to take care of themselves, rehabilitation or any side effects of medication or home remedies. Such aspects, whenever you prepare a leaflet or pamphlet, definitely it is most useful in a patient point of view. Now, the advantage of leaflet. One is it's providing the additional information. See what verbally you are taking class, what health education you are given on tuberculosis. Along with that, a little more additional supplementary information is given in this leaflet. A simple language which is easily understood by all kind of learners. Self-pacing. See, I can study, I can read whenever I want. It's not that immediately you read and replace it. No. See, it belongs to me now. I have this content. So, whenever I am free, whenever I am able to do that, then I am reading it. Self-learning. See, I am reading myself. I have received the information content. I am learning myself. Self-motivated. I am myself motivated to read or learn the content from that. Then, definitely it is Yes, it is best to use when you use a simple language and a local language. If it is a particular region wise, if you select the language, definitely that is most useful. If the people are speaking Hindi and you prepare the pamphlet, a leaflet in English, any other language, they don't prefer that. Any region where they speak Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada, then you're preparing a leaflet with Hindi, English, people don't prefer that. Always you keep in mind the region where you're distributing this pamphlet or this leaflet and that particular spoken language. So that language you choose and prepare the leaflet, definitely we will have a most effective use. Then the disadvantages of leaflet. Difficulty to prepare. You need to think so much what all the content you can include in that. How can you make it more creative and more exciting? You may be very poor in writing good handwriting, or you may be very poor in making some creativity or drawing. Time consuming, and sometimes materials may not be so easily available. Locally it may not be available. Also, it requires a lot of time for the teacher to prepare that. Who knows after presenting, after giving to a student or the learner whether they will read it or not. See, self-pacing was advantage. Now that self-pacing will become a disadvantage here. Student may not go through it, so that this additional information may not reach to the candidate or the learner. Okay, so this is the disadvantage of this printed aids. So dear students, today we discussed about non-projected printed aids, leaflet and pamphlet. Both almost the same. The major difference is leaflet will be a single sheet, as how I said it will be just like a single sheet, and your pamphlet will be a fold, either one fold, two fold, three fold, four, yeah, five fold. Okay, that's all about your leaflet and pamphlet. I hope you understood. Take care of yourself and I'll see you in the next class. Thank you all.